This is the cross slide for the Russian lathe. You can see top, I've stoned it lightly to get rid of the burrs. There is some nicks here and there. Also stoned the sides and some light the other underneath. I'm not very impressed with the scraping here, but well, anyway, one can see that here it is a little bit worn, also here. So the rear has survived almost, I guess, untouched, so we will have to scrape this a little bit. So after 3 or 4 scrapes, you can hear that there's more contacting over the hole. It also hinges better. See? Not so bad. I bet that the contact is much better now. See? Missing a little bit here, otherwise improving. Just wanted to share a technique also with you to find out if it is really resting firmly. It sounds flat, it feels okay. Hinges not so bad, but if you listen now, solid. You hear that corner? Solid, solid, solid. So there's a little bit of room. And I was right. If you watch closely, you see there is marking approximately the length of the piece. Stops here, a little mark there, but anyway, in this area here, nothing. That's what we heard. Okay, I'll bring the indicator over. Zero it. And we'll see. Oh, so far so good. 0. Oh, +1. No, it's back to 0. Yeah, +1. So here it fluctuates a little bit. It's higher on the inside, I think. Yep, and we'll go onto this side. It's back to 0, or actually a little bit less, -1. At least it's within roughly one and a half hundredths of a millimeter. And then how it blues up. Was at least flat there because it had sucked its way down. Okay. Hinges okay. Quite okay. Beginning to get sticky, a little bit less blue also. See, there is some blue all over, so it's flat. So of course, there's a way to go before it has the contact bearing we want, but it's improving. So I blew it up again with a little bit more blue on the plate. Let's get a better view. I still have, I guess, should have prolonged the basic or preliminary scraping sequence with circles or heavy crosses, sets, long stroke. I did, however, try to short circuit the process a little bit, so I could show you at least I've got some progress here. I've shortened the strokes and use finishing techniques because I get in the way here. I'll go from the other direction. However, get into the corner, I won't risk hitting the corner, so I'll do this from the other side. Same here. Trying to cut the big blotches into smaller pieces. to increase the point per inch with parameters. Okay. More careful stoning this time. You can feel it when you're through the burrs, actually. Well, actually improving. Okay. Yeah, I'll hit it again sometimes more, I think. It's just a matter of carrying on to get bearing in all places. Starting to look good, but some cycles left. Not sure to which degree you can view it. I blew it up again. Sometime further in the process, you see there is a shy area here and over here, a little bit shyer over here. However, my main point is that I have blew it up and also then rubbed the cross slide against an area on the test plate without any glue to polish off the real high spots, and you may be able to see, for instance, like the area here, which is really high then, as opposed to some of the other, well, most are with a small degree of shine. You see, and those that are shiny, and the most shiny, those are the highest. So I'm just blued up and polished, and you can see the pattern, scattered pattern. Also then. So our corners 0. Yes, this is 0. Maybe a little bit. 0. 0. And 0. Maybe half a thousandths out, half a hundredth of a millimeter out. This is maybe, yeah, maybe 1. So within 100th of a millimeter.